igongona aria 14 ria mahoya ma kibururi ni ritabanirio umuthi mukawa-ini wa Safari Park guku Nairobi. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, munini wake William Ruto na ajumbe matiganite kuma guku bururi-ini hamwe na nja wa bururi-ini megwikinyitie igongona-ini riu. Ndumiriri nene ari kuiga bururi mahoya-ini makiria riu tharikira cia wiki na icokete na kuria itigite maabitha 14 borithi makuite undu umwe na kuhoera bururi gukorwo na thayu hindi ya githurano.
We have no other country but Kenya. Regardless of who wins, this nation must and will endure. And we need to walk that journey, be able to exercise our free and democratic right to choose our leaders, but also preach peace.
Uhuru agithingata muingi wa bururi gukungwira unduire wao ithenya-ini ria gukanirira na mithingi ya kinduriri kana dini.
There is nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with our diversity. But our goal, as has been stated today severally, must be unity.
Miario ya Mutongoria wa bururi igikirwo rito na munini wake William Ruto uria uritie akenya gukanyita mbaru atongoria aria magathurwo niguo kuhotithia bururi guthie na mbere.
In a long time we're going into this election less divided. At least our political formations in this election are much more national on both sides.
Hamwe na atongoria aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri ari hamwe na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa irio thiini wa the Governor David Beasley hamwe na atongoria angi aria moririe akenya guthingatithia thayu.
Maana walipomuuliza Yesu ni amri ipi iliyo kuu kuliko zote, alisema ya kwanza, mpende Mungu wako kwa moyo wako wote, kwa akili yako yote, kwa nguvu zako zote. Lakini ya pili yafanana nayo ni kwamba mpende jirani yako kama unavyojipenda wewe mwenyewe. Sasa nyinyi wa Kenya, jirani yenu Tanzania. Kwa hiyo mtupende jamani.
Igongona riri riuma ria gatano ria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta gutongoria kuma riria oire wathani mwaka-ini wa 2013 na no rio riake ria muthia gutongoria itena-ini riake ria mbere ta mutongoria wa bururi mbere ya githurano kinene gutabanio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.